How to know if someone uses your computer without your permission? First, right-click on the Start button, then select Run, then type this command. Click OK. Here you can see the data used by your computer. You can view data for a particular day if you want. Click the data modification icon, then select the day for which you want to view data. If you want, you can delete your data. Select the all data, right click and delete it. Hope you understand. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.